Friends, welcome back. This is Parthiban, and in this video I'm going to talk about my next week trading plan and stocks. And if you're newcomer to my channel and not yet subscribed, make sure you are subscribed and like my video, and make sure you are hit the bell icon button so that you will be notified whenever I post new videos. Fine. Now the first stock name is Astral, and this is the stock I'm holding a position now with a small profit. Why am I expecting the stock may move? Like there is a huge reversal candle at the support level. So whenever you see a huge reversal candle like this, okay, definitely the stock has a lot of potential, and you can make an entry whenever there is a right opportunity, right? So I see an opportunity somewhere here, and I already took the position in Astral and keep on waiting. I set my target at 2380. Let's see how it will move. If that has been moved, definitely I will be in good profit. Okay, let's see how the stock will perform on next week. Next stock is Navin Fluorine. Navin Fluorine is another beautiful pattern, and as of now, there is no trading opportunity for this stock, and this is one day pattern, right? So, in this pattern, I don't see any trading opportunity. The stock is good, it's moving good, but there is no trading opportunity, which means that the risk is not favor to me. And what I'm expecting, like the stock may come down, the stock may come down and reach the support level again, and once it touch the support level I will look for the candlesticks how it's forming, and based on that definitely I will go for the trade if there is a right opportunity. If that is the case, just consider that I got an opportunity here at somewhere at 3 to 3828, and I will take a position and I will make sure I will get some rewards like 1 is to 5 or 9 percentage, right? And that is what my setup, my target was. Target is 4190. So Navin Fluorine is my next stock, and then um State Bank of India. So State Bank of India, it's a rising wedge pattern, and it's keep on consolidating, right? So what I'm expecting, like there will be a uh, break out, because the bank nifty may fire in this week. That's what my expectation. So that's why I selected couple of banking stocks. One is SBA and another one is ICICI Bank. So SBA and ICICI both have the similar kind of pattern. And now if you look at that SBA, it's a reversal candle and just keep on coming down, and there is a small pullback, right? And again it's a negative candle. So what I'm expecting, like it may come down. Okay, and it may come down and reach the support level again. Again, if there is a right opportunity and if candlestick suggest me to take trade, then only I will go for the trade. Otherwise, I will wait for the retrace, sorry, our support level, and then there will be a breakout, right? That time only I will take entry and I will make money. That is a case. My stop loss and the risk reward will be, just think like if I take the trade here and I will keep my stop loss, and I set my target here somewhere around 470. Okay, 470 or 71, and that will be 1 is to 4 risk reward ratio, and around 7 percentage of return. Okay, and the next stock is ICICI Bank, and as I said, both are having the similar kind of pattern, and there is small difference because ICICI Bank started to move to upside. So what we expect, like the stock may move upside next week, move upside and break out or break down. Sorry, it may come down, right? So both the things may happen, and then another scenario like as like SBI, it may come to support level. So the only thing what we can do on next week on ICICI Bank is like we have to wait patiently for our opportunity, because don't jump into the trade. After taking the trade, we are used to think like, oh my God, why I take this trade? I should not take this trade. I missed to see this candlesticks. I missed to these that not going to work, right? So we have to think twice before taking the trade and wait for the right opportunity. Once there is a right opportunity, take the entry. That time, if stock fails, that's not a problem, because the stock market is like a probability. So whenever there is a right opportunity, there is a huge confluence, and you see everything, candlesticks, pattern, and everything is good, but still stock can fail. Okay, that's the beauty of stock market, right? So don't fall into such scenarios. Just wait patiently and trade whenever there is a right opportunity. So ICICI Bank is another beauty, and next one is M&M, Mahendra and Mahendra. So in this talk, what I'm expecting, like there will be a breakout. Okay, but we are not sure. So we have to wait and watch. It's a beautiful triangle pattern, but we are not sure because it's at resistance level. It may come down or move up, whatever will happen, but we are not sure, right? Because trading has not yet started. It's Sunday, and based on my calculation or anticipation, the confluence checking and the other parameters, I feel that it may move up. So that's why I am looking after this stock. And the final one is Britannia. So Britannia, it's already moved. So why am I considering this as a next week trading opportunity stock? Because just look at this stock. Okay, after this breakout, it just moved, right? And then it's keep on consolidating. In this location, it's keep on consolidating, right? So let me move on to 1 hour pattern. 1 hour time frame. Just look at this. It's a beautiful flag pattern, and after this a huge move, there is a flag pattern, and similar kind of pattern we just seen in Bajaj Finance. I hope so. And in this, what I'm expecting, like there will be a support. The stock may move to at support level. From there, it may move up, and then some consolidation. Then it will fire. That's what my expectation. So that's why I'm keeping Britannia in my watch list. So overall, we discussed about six stocks, and Britannia, ICICI Bank, State Bank of India, Mahendra and Mahendra, Navin Floor, and Astral. So these six stocks I'm going to watch closely on for next week. And if you traded and made some money, please make sure you are put it in the comment section. And if you're trading based on this, that's your own risk. Okay. And thanks for watching this video and have a good day.